Here's a guide to answering some common questions from the IELTS Speaking Part 1 with simple answers and better answers that could help you aim for a Band 9. What is your name? Simple answer. My name is John. Better answer. My name is John Smith. It's a fairly common name, but I've always liked it because it's easy to remember. Where are you from? Simple answer. I am from London. Better answer. I'm from London, the capital city of the UK. It's a very diverse and vibrant place with a rich history, which I'm proud of. Do you work or study? Simple answer. I am a student. Better answer. At the moment, I'm studying at university. I'm pursuing a degree in computer science, which I find both challenging and exciting. I hope to work in software development in the future. What do you like to do in your free time? Simple answer. I like reading. Better answer. In my free time, I love reading books, especially science fiction and mystery novels. I also enjoy hiking in nature, as it helps me to relax and clear my mind. Do you like your hometown? Simple answer. Yes, I like it. Better answer. Yes, I absolutely love my hometown. It's a small but charming town with friendly people and a peaceful atmosphere. The surrounding nature is stunning, and I feel very connected to the place. What kind of music do you like? Simple answer. I like pop music. Better answer. I'm a big fan of pop music, especially artists like Taylor Swift and Ed Sheeran. I enjoy their lyrics, which are often very relatable, and their songs always put me in a good mood. Do you like cooking? Simple answer. Yes, I like it. Better answer. Yes, I really enjoy cooking. It's not only a creative outlet for me but also a way to relax. I particularly love trying out new recipes, especially from different cuisines. My favorite dish to make is Italian pasta. Do you prefer watching movies or TV shows? Simple answer. I prefer watching movies. Better answer. I prefer watching movies because they are usually more concise and engaging. I enjoy the entire experience, from the plot twists to the visuals. However, when I have time, I also watch TV shows, especially when they have a compelling storyline. Do you like traveling? Simple answer. Yes, I love traveling. Better answer. I absolutely love traveling. It's one of my biggest passions. I find it fascinating to explore new cultures, try local food, and meet people from different parts of the world. Last year, I visited Japan, and it was an unforgettable experience. How often do you use the internet? Simple answer. I use it every day. Better answer. I use the internet daily for various reasons, such as studying, staying updated with news, and socializing. It's a vital tool for both my personal and academic life. I rely on it for research and communication with friends and family. Do you like reading books? Simple answer. Yes, I do. Better answer. Yes, I've always enjoyed reading books. I find it to be a great way to escape reality and enter different worlds. My favorite genres are fantasy and historical fiction because they allow me to explore different times and places through stories. What's your favorite season? Simple answer. I like summer. Better answer. My favorite season is definitely summer. I love the warm weather, longer days, and the chance to spend more time outdoors. It's the perfect time for going to the beach, traveling, and enjoying barbecues with friends and family. Tips for Band 9 answers in Part 1. Extend your answers. Provide full responses, not just one or two words. Add detail and personal experience. Include reasons or examples to support your answers. Be natural. Speak naturally and with enthusiasm. You want to show your personality and engage the examiner. Use a range of vocabulary. Try to use varied vocabulary rather than repeating simple words. Use correct grammar. Pay attention to verb tenses, sentence structure, and subject-verb agreement. Be fluent. Aim for smooth, continuous speech. Avoid pauses or fillers like or oh. These improved answers show not just the content but the fluency and detail that would help achieve a higher band score.